Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how I apply my wigs. Yes, I've got a bold cap on. Yes, I'm looking a bit bold. I got this wig from a company called Arabella hair and I'm going to be putting it on today. First things first, I'm going to get some skin powder. I'll say skin powder, but you know. So I'm just gonna grab some of that powder and slap it on my head. I'm gonna grab my wig, slap it on my head. When I bleach the knots, I really bleached the roots. I've already sprayed it, but you're gonna spray each section, keep some baby hairs down, spray section dry, spray section dry, spray section dry. I'm spraying instead of using glue because I'm not gonna have this wig on for long. So yeah, let's just do that. Make sure that you're combing it out so that the glue doesn't affect the hair. It looks disgusting because I don't like that. You might not like that, but you might like it, but I really don't. Like, I hate it. Okay guys, so now we're gonna cut the lace off. So I'm just gonna cut right there. Bring all hair back, bring all the hair back. And we're gonna use one of these babies right here. And we're gonna try and trim off the lace. So that's this side. Let me do the other side off camera and I'll be back. Hey guys, so I went ahead and continued off camera only because I'm in a rush. But I'm just trying to do some baby hair. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, but I think this is the finishing look. I'm gonna get ready off camera and then I will be back. Hey guys, so I am back. I'm in a bit of a rush. Yeah, I'm all good. Put everything away. But anyways guys, I'm going to show you the finished result of my hair. So yeah, this is the new look. I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, subscribe. Follow my socials. Snapchat and Instagram will be right here. I do daily polls on my Instagram, and I do weekly brain teasers on my Snapchat. Follow me on those. Pop me up, get to know me. You know what the dealio is. I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.